The main reason to come to JCC is the small class size, intimate setting where professors will work with you to get you to your fullest potential.
Nothing better than when you're teaching something and you see the light bulb go on.
When I teach a course, it's different every semester because every semester I have different students in the room, and the examples I choose are tailored to the students that are in front of me.
The instructors at JCC work at a lot of great local companies, so you're making a lot of connections while you're here.
We have good instructors. They have certain areas that they're experts in.
Every class I teach here, I have done in industry at some point throughout my career.
I've run research and development organizations, managing engineers on the cutting edge of technology and electronics and in aerospace.
My background is in string theory and quantum gravity.
I got about 25 years of professional experience with welding jobs.
I come from industry as a machinist, so that's sort of where my bread and butter and my passion lies.
You can reach out to JCC and the folks here absolutely anytime, and we'll help you any way that we can.